Hello. This tutorial we're going to show how to open a position buying an option using the ThinkorSwim mobile platform for iPhone of Ameritrade. Let's suppose that you received a boost from MoneyGram saying bought to open GLD 21 August 20 $170 call at 3.27. And we're going to open a position buying this option. So from wherever we are in our application, we go to the menu in the bottom that says watch list. And in the watch list, we go to the quick quote box and we type GLD and we select it. Once there, we have a few menus. It says chart news. We go to options because we're buying an option. We make sure that in strikes it says all, and then we look, because we know we are in GLD, we look for this for the expiration date of August 21. So we hit in that little arrow on August 21, and the option chain opens for August 21st. Next thing is we look for the strike, which is $170. So we keep going down and we look for the 170 strike, and we see it here. And then the following thing says it's a call. So calls are on the left side and we're going to buy. So we go to the ask, and in the ask, the one that intersects with 170, we can see that it's at 310. So we hit there, we hit buy. If we buy 10, then it's going to cost me 3,000. Let's say I'm going to keep a position somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000. So I could hit on the minus sign until I reach the point between 1,000 and 2,000. So it would be 6 calls. Everything looks okay. The lock is open. That's very important because it keeps feeding the latest price of the option. It's a limit order, very important. It's a day order, and we have the best exchange. So everything looks good. I hit confirm, brings me a confirmation page where it says buy 6 call 21 August 20 170 call at 310. Limit to open, buy to open. Everything looks perfect. That's how I do my confirmation. This is going to cost me 1,860 plus 390 commission, 108,063.90. Everything looks well. I hit paper trade. The order was sent. I say close, and it got filled immediately. I go to the fill menu, GLD 21 August 20 170 call, bought at 3.05. Another way to confirm this is I go to my positions portfolio and I can see gold there. I hit the arrow and I see the position, 6 calls. And that is how you open a position buying a stock using ThinkorSwim mobile platform for iPhone of Ameritrade. Thank you.